Hi guys, I'm on my way to Hosic Lounge sa Poblacion, Makati for the Sparks Camp Season 2 Media Conference. At naisipan kong, what if tanungin ko rin yung mga campers ng Sparks Camp Season 2 or at least yung first 8 campers ng Sparks Camp Season 2 difficult questions about queer relationships and queer dating. So, excited ako malaman ko yung mga sagot nila, kaya let's go! Okay, what's your name?
My name is Martin Chua. Ano ba? May moniker pa ba? TikTok boyfriend ng Sparks Camp Season 2.
Ilang taong ka na?
I'm 29 years old.
Okay, so may mga difficult queer questions ako for you na gusto ko malaman yung sagot mo. Okay?
Takot na ako. Okay, sige. I'm scared.
First question is, yung compatibility sa bed ba, importante yon sa isang queer relationship?
If you're talking about sex, yes. It's very important. Well, for me, yes. Kasi this is the person that you're gonna have sex with forever. So parang, if you're not compatible in bed, parang what's the point of like getting together, right? Kasi it's part of the relationship, eh. So I think it's very important.
What if ma-in love ka sa isang tao na hindi mo compatible in bed?
I think sex is part of the falling in love process. Like the entirety of the relationship, a big chunk of it is sex. Syempre may relationships, may dates, may personal time, pero part of it is sex. And parang I don't think may in love ako sa person na hindi kami sexually compatible in the first place. Pero first naman ako, so like, alam mo yun, parang mas wide yung array of people that I can fall in love with.
Okay, next question. Sa queer relationships ba, nagwo-work lang or nagla-last forever kapag open relationship?
For a while, I thought yes. But now, parang as time went by, dahil lang sa Sparks Camp siguro, mas na-realize ko na parang communication talaga yung pinaka-important. Like, kahit mag-open relationship, may nag-cheat pa rin, by the way, in open relationships. So, parang even if open relationship kayo, may nag-cheat pa rin kapag hindi kayo properly nag-set ng boundaries, ng rules, tsaka nag-uusap sa isa-isa. So, yung pinaka-important is you both respect each other enough to respect each other's boundaries and the boundaries of the relationship more than the open relationship itself. So, yun.
Ito, fill in the blanks. If I want to hook up with someone, I will...
Oh my God! I will... I guess mga dating apps, Tinder, Bumble, Grindr, gano'n. Kasi nakakatamad lumandi in a normal way. Diba, ang daming effort, usap-usap pa. Kung hook up lang naman yung objective mo, edi yun lang yung focus mo, edi dun ka pupunta.
And if I want to find someone, to date, I will.
I've actually never found anyone that I dated na nag-work sa dating apps. So, ayoko sabihing dating app. So, I'll just let time do its thing. So, just go out, explore, and don't like stay sa bahay lang forever.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm EJ.
Ilang taong ka na?
Guess. I'm 29 years old.
Importante ba ang compatibility in bed or sexual compatibility sa isang queer relationship?
I think yes. Sobrang kailangan match kayo para alam niyo na kung sino yung yon at sino yung siya. So, at saka sarap makipag-sex kapag may jowa kasi dapat talaga alam niyo sa isa't isa kung ano kayo, kung top or bottom. Pero pwede rin naman mag-adjust ang bawat isa. Pwede na pag-usapan, kung pwede naman kayo maging verse. So, depende sa tao. Kung mahal mo talaga siya, mag-adjust ka. Kung hindi mo siya mahal, girl, hindi ka sure dyan. Charing, yan lang.
Okay. Next question. Naglalast lang ba ang isang queer relationship kung open relationship siya?
Okay. I don't think so. Kasi marami akong friends na matagal na mag-jowa na hindi sila open. Pero meron akong friends din naman na open na ang tagal na nila. Alam mo, depende talaga yan sa flavor ng relationship ng mga tao. Eh. So, kung feeling mo pwede kayo maging open at matagal na kayo ngayon, I'm so proud of you. Pero kung kayo naman ay hindi open at matagal na kayo ngayon, happy pride.
Fill in the blanks. If I want to hook up with someone, para may advice ka. If I want to hook up with someone, I will...
Usually sa Instagram na ngayon, pero Grindr, why not? Diba? Kung gusto mong mabilisan na rara, so i-Grindr nyo yan.
Pero pag gusto kong makahanap ng ka-date na serious relationship, saan ba ako dapat maghanap?
Feeling ko maganda ngayon maghanap ka sa common friends. Kung meron siyang irereto, para lang alam na nung friend mo kung sino yung tamang, ay ito bagay sa'yo to, pwede kayo mag-date nito. Yun muna, magrereto. Pwede rin sa Tinder, pwede rin sa Bumble, pwede kung saan mo gusto. Pero feeling ko maganda yung nirereto ng kaibigan. Para alam mo na yung energy. Ganon.
Thank you! Okay, what's your name?
I am Pipoy,
Age?
25 years old.
Is sexual compatibility or compatibility in bed important in having a happy queer relationship?
I think it's a factor but it's not necessarily dapat meron talaga. Because I think naman a relationship is built with trust and dapat may foundation talaga with love, trust, and a lot of factors too. So hindi lang sex. So yun din.
Okay. Next question. Naglalast lang ba ang isang queer relationship pag open relationship siya?
Hindi naman. Like, in my case din, I think okay ako. So sure, if it's for you, then go for an open relationship. But for me, I think dapat ako lang. Dapat ako lang. And then like gusto ko talaga yung ma-experience yung kami ng dalawa, me and you against the world. Parang ganun.
Okay. And then fill in the blanks. Baka may mabigay ka na advice. If I want to hook up with someone, I will
Install Grindr. Siyempre.
okay. And what about if I want to date someone, I will
install Tinder.
Anong name mo?
I'm Kyle Adlawan.
Ilang taong ka na?
27.
Nagso-survive lang ba yung queer relationship or nagtatagal kapag open relationship?
I think hindi yan sukatan, ang relationship ay hindi sukatan ng kung anong setup nila. It's really about the foundation of trust. Yun yung kahit open ka, kahit monogamous or closed, kung ano pa man yan, basta may foundation tayo ng trust, magsasurvive yan.
Second question, nagmamatter ba ang sexual compatibility para magkaroon ng isang happy queer relationship?
Well, I think it's a big factor. I don't think it matters talaga. Like, at the end of the day, mahal mo ang isang tao for who they are, not what they are, di ba?
So, sa'yo,
Yes.
okay, what if ma-in love ka sa isang tao na hindi kayo compatible in bed?
Actually, it happened na, bro, direct. Like, recently, yung last ex ko, we're not super compatible. Pero we make it work naman. Honestly, yung nga masaya sa gay relationships. Parang, it's really about exploration and learning more things about yourself. O, di ba, sarap?
Okay, ito naman para makapagbigay ka ng advice sa mga taong single. So, fill in the blanks. If I want to hook up with someone, I will...
If I want to hook up with someone, I will tell them what makes them sexy.
So, where do you find those guys?
Honestly, kahit saan. Minsan, naglalakad lang sila sa Greenfield.
Sorry.
Ang harap ng interview na to.
So, if I want to hook up with someone, I will go to Greenville. If I want to date someone for a relationship, I will.
Honestly, you need to put effort in looking for them. Parang, you need to first think kung ano bang gusto mo or like ano bang mga interests. So, dun mo sila mahahanap. So, parang, kumare, if you're interested in books or kumare, you're interested in fitness, try to go to these places. Baka meron ka mahanap that shares the same interests as you.
Anong name mo?
Hello, magandang araw sa inyo. Ako si Alan.
Ilang taong ka na?
29 daw sabi sa birth certificate.
Importante ba ang sexual compatibility para mag-last ang relationship ng isang queer couple?
Ang initial answer ko ay yes, pero kung asexual ka na, hindi parang kebsa din doon. Pero for tonight, I think the answer is yes.
Bakit?
Kasi parang kailangan when the bodies touch, they touch talaga in a compatible manner. Kasi ilang gabi kayong magkasama o kung mga araw nyo man yan ginagawa, di ba? So I think mahalaga yon.
What if may love ka sa isang taong hindi ka compatible sexually?
Tignan natin kung may ibang criteria for judging. So baka naman kung hindi pasok doon sa sex component, baka naman lamang siya sa ibang parts. Depende talaga yan sa priorities ng queer couple. So nasa sa inyo yan, buhay nyo yan. Bakit nyo ba ako tinatanong?
Next question. Tumatagal lang ba ang isang queer relationship kapag open relationship?
Whether open or monogamous, as long as open siguro yung communication lines, kung na-communicate naman ng maayos yung rules and regulations at yung mga fine print na terms of conditions, di pak na yan. Basta pag-usapan nyo ng maayos, hindi yung tago-tago, ganyan, nag-open kayo tapos bigla, hindi mo naman chinichika dun sa kasama mo. Di ba parang scary?
Okay, eto. Baka may tips kang maibigay din sa mga otaw na single. If I want to find somebody to hook up with, I will.
If I want to find somebody to hook up with, I guess I will get referrals from friends para may reviews na agad-agad.
Ito naman, if I want to find someone to date for relationship, I will.
If I want to find someone to date, I will just ask friends. Dalang din. Talagang nagtitiwala ko sa mga kaibigan ko.
Anong name mo?
I am Zuher Bautista,
Ilang taong ka na?
37 po.
Sa tingin mo ba, importante ang sexual compatibility or compatibility in bed para magkaroon ng masayang queer relationship?
Yes, feeling ko importante siya kasi feeling ko isa sa yun sa mga magiging base para ma-achieve mo yung talagang relationship na meron kayo. Kasi kung hindi kayo compatible doon, paano na? Baka mamaya maghanap pa sa iba yan kung hindi kayo compatible, di ba?
What if ma-in love ka sa isang taong hindi mo ka-compatible?
Kung may in love ako, actually ako mag-a-adjust.
So ganun kang klase
Of course!
para sa pagmamahal.
Ako mag-a-adjust para sa pagmamahal. Kayang-kaya yan, sisiw.
Sa tingin mo ba nagtatagal lang ang isang queer relationship kapag open relationship based sa mga naobserbahan mo sa mga kaibigan?
Hell no! Hindi ako fan ng open relationship. As in, out ako dyan. So, I don't date for fun. I date to marry. So, paano pa yung open relationship? Ayoko.
Fill in the blanks. If I want to find someone to hook up with, I will.
I'm not into hookup, sorry. So, hindi ko siya ma-advise.
Okay. O, ito naman. If I want to find someone to date, saan ako maghahanap?
Siguro, hindi mo naman kailangan maghanap. Kailangan mo lang mag-antay. Baka destiny or fate talaga magbibigay sa'yo kung sino talaga siya.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Universe.
Ilang taong ka na?
29 years old.
Importante ba ang compatibility in bed or sexual compatibility to have a happy queer relationship?
Yes, para sa akin, yes. I look for 5 C's. Chemistry, communication, comprehension, connection, and common goals. So, kung walang chemistry, hindi mag-work.
What if ma-in love ka sa someone na hindi kayo compatible? Ibig ba sabihin nun, wala na kayong chemistry?
Yeah, kasi hanapin talaga yan. For longevity, important.
Next question. Yung queer relationships ba tumatagal lang kapag open relationship?
I don't think so. I think that comes down to compatibility again. Some people prefer open, some people are conservative like me. So para sa akin, for a long relationship, talagang monogamous relationship.
Ay, ito, fill in the blanks para sa mga single. If I want to find someone to hook up with, I will
Use Grindr.
Okay. And if I want to find someone to date, I will
Ask a friend.
as a friend. Referral.
Oh, referral mode.
Okay, thank you, Uni.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Carl Bautista.
Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 33.
Naniniwala ka ba na importante ang sexual compatibility para tumagal ang isang queer relationship?
I would say yes. Important yung sexual compatibility because sexual compatibility is the physical aspect. So in any relationship naman may physical, emotional, mental, and there are so many aspects. Sexual is one, and for anything to work, I think at least you have to hit at least a safe amount of compatibility with all of those.
What if ma-in love ka sa isang tao na hindi talaga kayo compatible sexually? Ibig sabihin nun, it won't work.
I think if you really love the person, you're willing to compromise, even if it's sexual compatibility. No? Parang, let's say, when it comes to top, bottom, or verse, you'll find a certain, I guess, way of life where you will enjoy each other's company physically.
Next question. Sa mga queer relationships ba, naglalast lang kapag open relationship? Ganun, totoo ba yun?
I don't think that open relationship or close relationship has anything to do with the success of any the relationship. No, it really comes down to the communication. Kasi with open relationships, people are willing to compromise. Nga, okay lang for you to sleep with this person as long as I know, and that's all there is naman to it. Communication.
Ito, fill in the blanks. Para may advice sa mga single dyan. If I want to find someone to hook up with, I will.
If I want to find someone to hook up with, I will enjoy the night.
What do you mean?
Ano, parang I know to myself na, okay, I will hook up with someone tonight. I'm willing to let my body enjoy tonight. I'm willing to let myself mentally enjoy the night. Parang ganun. Kasi hooking up is something that you have to, I guess, mentally prepare for.
Okay, if I want to find someone to date for a relationship, I will.
If I want someone to date or someone to find a relationship with, I will be myself.
What do you mean?
Kasi if you're not yourself, if you're not authentic to yourself, you just have to pretend all the time. Eh. So if you're authentically yourself, you'll find someone perfect for you.
And that's it. Yun yung sagot ng mga Season 2 Sparks Camp campers. Of course, wala doon si Paco at Seichi kasi hindi pa namin sila pwedeng ipakilala sa media. But ando naman si Carl Bao ng Season 1 na game rin sumagot sa mga questions niyo. So, yun guys, if you like this kind of content, I need your help. Maybe you can comment down below more queer questions that you want to ask queer people about queer dating, queer relationships, or any queer-related topics. Kasi 8 watch parties yung gagawin namin sa Hosic Bar and Lounge. And I might as well ask na yung mga queer people na manonood ng mga episodes namin to answer these questions for you. So, yun lang po and see you in my next vlog.